Hi, this is Christina Dubois-Nugent coming to you with a discussion of how to move over from classic view to modern view using Tom's trading room risk graphs. So what I'm showing you here is the top portion of a risk graph. As I scroll down and I'm looking at it in classic view, what you're seeing is the stock price is living on the horizontal axis and the profit and loss are on the vertical axis. So here I show the stock trading at 104 and change. And what we're looking at is we need the stock to move up in order for us to make money, to be in the profit zone. Now, the difference between classic view, which has the risk graph above it and then the stock chart just below it, and I do have it zoomed out in quite a bit because I'm looking at 100 to 110. So you're only seeing very little stock activity, even though it's showing for a lot of time period. It's just showing the range of stock price of 100 to 110. Now when you compare that to a modern risk graph, what you should notice is that the risk graph in modern view allows me to see the stock activity through the chart. So I can see some of that momentum as it moves higher. I can then see more information in relations to, in this case I have Bollinger Bands on, of how to see first and second standard deviation activity based on past stock movement. So the difference is in classic view, you again have stock price on the horizontal, profit on the vertical. In classic view, it's switched out where the stock price is actually the vertical, so we can see it all the way through and include the stock chart to the left of the risk graph. And you have your profit and loss on the horizontal bar, where you can see my profits, positive numbers on the right, that's my profit side, negative numbers on the left. A lot easier to read when it comes to seeing stock movements. If the stock goes up to from 104 to 105, you can see that time is working for me, and at expiration I can get my maximum profit potential. In classic view, again, you have to look at it differently, and you're looking at 105 on the stock price on the horizontal bar. Can't see stock activity in it, but you can still see that profits are on the top, losses on the bottom. This is a more zoomed in view because I don't have the access to see the stock chart through it all on one area here, but you can see that the movement of stock, if it gets to 105, that time is actually working for me. Stock chart lives below. How do you adjust from one to the other is in the risk graph settings. You can click from classic to modern. It is a blue item is something that is to update your general settings. It will update for good. If you just want to do it for this one risk graph, you can just click the risk graph button. But once you hit general settings, it'll say, are you sure you want to change general settings? And to be honest, as soon as you can get into modern view, the easier and better it is for your trading. Thanks, guys. And remember, all of my teaching will be in modern view. Thanks. Have a blessed day.